Hello again, fellow virtual consultants. Thank you for watching our video on what is Chat GPT. Hopefully you have already heard in the media mentions of Chat GPT and various mentions of what it may or may not be, what it may or may not be able to do. And you're wondering, what is this Chat GPT and how may that benefit my virtual consulting business? So in this video, we're going to give you an introduction to what is Chat GPT. First, we will let Chat GPT explain to you what it is, and then we will go through a detailed explanation and introduction of what is Chat GPT, what are some of its features and limitations, what services does it provide, what kind of limitations might it have, and how what kind of implications it has for various industries, and then again how you may be able to use this for your benefit and to benefit your virtual consulting business. Again, we will explain to you what is Chat GPT, so again, some of the features, training sources, and then step by step on how you can register. So again, in this video, we'll explain to you what is Chat GPT, give you an introduction to it, and then this will be the first video in a series of videos on Chat GPT where we'll explain in detail how to use Chat GPT, how it can benefit you, your virtual consulting business, and how this may provide you with additional services that you can offer to your virtual consulting clients to generate additional revenue, again, additional services to grow and succeed in your virtual consulting business. So let's get started.
Welcome to our video on, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. It's a powerful tool that allows users to generate human-like text with a high level of accuracy. ChatGPT is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, which is trained on a massive amount of text data. This allows it to understand the nuances of human language and generate text that is similar to that written by a human. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text in a wide range of styles and formats, from casual conversation to formal writing. This makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications, such as chatbots, natural language processing, and text generation. ChatGPT can also be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as language translation or summarization. This allows it to generate highly accurate and relevant text for a specific use case. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that can be used for a wide range of applications. Its ability to generate human-like text and fine-tune for specific tasks makes it a valuable tool for businesses, researchers, and developers. We hope that you like this content. If you got some value from this content, then please click the like thumbs up button on this video. Please share this video, and please subscribe to our virtual consulting channel. Thank you again for watching. ChatGPT, Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer 1, is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models, and is fine-tuned, an approach to transfer learning, too, with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype on November 30, 2022. And quickly garnered attention for its detailed responses and articulate answers across many domains of knowledge. Its uneven factual accuracy was identified as a significant drawback. 3. Following the release of ChatGPT, OpenAI was valued at $29 billion. 4. Training ChatGPT was fine-tuned on top of GPT 3.5 using supervised learning as well as reinforcement learning. 5. Both approaches used human trainers to improve the model's performance. In the case of supervised learning, the model was provided with conversations in which the trainers played both sides, the user and the AI assistant. In the reinforcement step, human trainers first ranked responses that the model had created in a previous conversation. These rankings were used to create reward models that the model was further fine-tuned on using several iterations of proximal policy optimization, PPO. 6. 7. Proximal policy optimization algorithms present a cost-effective benefit to trust region policy optimization algorithms. They negate many of the computationally expensive operations with faster performance. 8. 9. The models were trained in collaboration with Microsoft on their Azure supercomputing infrastructure. In addition, OpenAI continues to gather data from Chat GPT users that could be used to further train and fine-tune Chat GPT. Users are allowed to upvote or downvote the responses they receive from Chat GPT. Upon upvoting or downvoting, they can also fill out a text field with additional feedback. 10, 11, 12. Features and limitations. Cropped screenshot of a conversation with Chat GPT, December 30, 2022. Although the core function of a chatbot is to mimic a human conversationalist, Chat GPT is versatile. For example, it has the ability to write and debug computer programs, to compose music, teleplays, fairy tales, and student essays, to answer test questions, sometimes, depending on the test, at a level above the average human test taker. 13. To write poetry and song lyrics. 14. To emulate a Linux system. To simulate an entire chat room. To play games like tic-tac-toe. And to simulate an ATM. 15. ChatGPT's training data includes man pages and information about Internet phenomena and programming languages, such as bulletin board systems and the Python programming language. 15. In comparison to its predecessor, Instruct GPT, ChatGPT attempts to reduce harmful and deceitful responses. 16. In one example, whereas Instruct GPT accepts the premise of the prompt, "Tell me about when Christopher Columbus came to the U.S. in 2015, as being truthful, ChatGPT acknowledges the counterfactual nature of the question and frames its answer as a hypothetical consideration of what might happen if Columbus came to the U.S. in 2015, using information about Columbus's voyages and facts about the modern world, including modern perceptions of Columbus's actions." 6. Unlike most chatbots, ChatGPT remembers previous prompts given to it in the same conversation. Journalists have suggested that this will allow ChatGPT to be used as a personalized therapist. 17. To prevent offensive outputs from being presented to and produced from ChatGPT, queries are filtered through OpenAI's company-wide moderation API. 18. 19. And potentially racist or sexist prompts are dismissed. 6. 17. ChatGPT suffers from multiple limitations. OpenAI acknowledged that ChatGPT sometimes writes plausible-sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. 6. This behavior is common to large language models and is called hallucination. 20. The reward model of ChatGPT, designed around human oversight, can be over-optimized and thus hinder performance, otherwise KN. Own as Goodhart's law. 21. ChatGPT has limited knowledge of events that occurred after 2021. According to the BBC, as of December 2022, ChatGPT is not allowed to express political opinions or engage in political activism. 22. Yet, research suggests that ChatGPT exhibits a pro-environmental, left libertarian orientation when prompted to take a stance on political statements from 2 established voting advice applications. 23. In training ChatGPT, human reviewers preferred longer answers, irrespective of actual comprehension or factual content. 6. Training data also suffers from algorithmic bias, which may be revealed when ChatGPT responds to prompts including descriptors of people. In one instance, ChatGPT generated a rap indicating that women and scientists of color were inferior to white and male scientists. 24, 25. Service ChatGPT was launched on November 30, 2022, by San Francisco-based OpenAI, the creator of DALL-E 2 and Whisper. The service was launched as initially free to the public, with plans to monetize the service later. 26. By December 4, OpenAI estimated ChatGPT already had over 1 million users. 10. CNBC wrote on December 15, 2022, that the service still goes down from time to time. 27. The service works best in English, but is also able to function in some other languages, to varying degrees of success. 14. Unlike some other recent high-profile advances in AI, as of December 2022, there is no sign of an official peer-reviewed technical paper about ChatGPT. 28. According to OpenAI guest researcher Scott Aronson, OpenAI is working on a tool to attempt to watermark its text generation system so as to combat bad actors using their services for academic plagiarism or for spam. 29, 30. The New York Times relayed in December 2022 that the next version of GPT, GPT-4, has been rumored to be launched sometime in 2023. 17. Reception and implications. Positive reactions. ChatGPT was met in December 2022 with generally positive reviews. The New York Times labeled it, the best artificial intelligence chatbot ever released to the general public. 31. Samantha Locke of The Guardian noted that it was able to generate impressively detailed and human-like text. 32. Technology writer Dan Gilmore used ChatGPT on a student assignment and found its generated text was on par with what a good student would deliver and opined that academia has some very serious issues to confront. 33. Alex Kantrowitz of Slate magazine lauded ChatGPT's pushback to questions related to Nazi Germany, including the claim that Adolf Hitler built highways in Germany, which was met with information regarding Nazi Germany's use of forced labor. 34. In The Atlantic's Breakthroughs of the Year, for 2022, Derek Thompson included ChatGPT as part of the generative AI eruption that may change our mind about how we work, how we think, and what human creativity really is. 35. Kelsey Piper of the Vox website wrote that ChatGPT is the general public's first hands-on introduction to how powerful modern AI has gotten, and as a result, many of us are stunned, and that ChatGPT is smart enough to be useful despite its flaws. Paul Graham of Y Combinator tweeted that, the striking thing about the reaction to ChatGPT is not just the number of people who are blown away by it, but who they are. These are not people who get excited by every shiny new thing. Clearly, something big is happening. 36. Elon Musk wrote that, ChatGPT is scary good. We are not far from dangerously strong AI. 37. Musk paused OpenAI's access to a Twitter database pending a better understanding of OpenAI's plans, stating that, OpenAI was started as open source and non-profit. Neither is still true. 38. 39. Musk had co-founded OpenAI in 2015, in part to address existential risk from artificial intelligence, but had resigned in 2018. 39. Google CEO Sundar Pichai appended the work of numerous internal groups in response to the threat of disruption by ChatGPT. 40. In December 2022, Google internally expressed alarm at the unexpected strength of ChatGPT and the newly discovered potential of large language models to disrupt the search engine business, and CEO Sundar Pichai appended and reassigned teams within multiple departments to aid in its artificial intelligence products, according to The New York Times. 40. The information reported on January 3, 2023 that Microsoft Bing was planning to add optional ChatGPT functionality into its public search engine, possibly around March 2023. 41. 42. Negative reactions. In a December 2022 opinion piece, economist Paul Krugman wrote that ChatGPT would affect the demand for knowledge workers. 43. The Verge's James Vincent saw the viral success of ChatGPT as evidence that artificial intelligence had gone mainstream. 7. Journalists have commented on ChatGPT's tendency to hallucinate. 44. Mike Pearl of Mashable tested ChatGPT with multiple questions. In one example, he asked ChatGPT for the largest country in Central America that isn't Mexico. ChatGPT responded with Guatemala, when the answer is instead Nicaragua. 45. When CNBC asked ChatGPT for the lyrics to The Ballad of Dwight Fry, ChatGPT supplied invented lyrics rather than the actual lyrics. 27. Researchers cited by The Verge compared ChatGPT to a stochastic parrot. 46. As did Professor Anton van den Hengel of the Australian Institute for Machine Learning. 47. In December 2022, the question and answer website Stack Overflow banned the use of ChatGPT for generating answers to questions, citing the factually ambiguous nature of ChatGPT's responses. 3. In January 2023, the International Conference on Machine Learning banned any undocumented use of ChatGPT or other large language models to generate any text in submitted papers. 48. Economist Tyler Cowen expressed concerns regarding its effects on democracy, citing the ability of one to write automated comments to affect the decision process of new regulations. 49. The Guardian questioned whether any content found on the Internet after ChatGPT's release can be truly trusted, and called for government regulation. 50. In January 2023, after being sent a song written by ChatGPT in the style of Nick Cave. 51. The songwriter himself responded on the Red Hand files. 52. And was later quoted in The Guardian, saying the act of writing a song is a blood and guts business. That requires something of me to initiate the new and fresh idea. It requires my humanness." He went on to say, "With all the love and respect in the world. This song is bullshit. A grotesque mockery of what it is to be human, and, well, I don't much like it." Implications for cybersecurity. Checkpoint Research and others noted that ChatGPT was capable of writing phishing emails and malware, especially when combined with OpenAI codecs. 54. The CEO of ChatGPT creator OpenAI, Sam Altman, wrote that advancing software could pose, for example, a huge cybersecurity risk, and also continued to predict, "We could get to real AGI, artificial general intelligence, in the next decade. So we have to take the risk of that extremely seriously." Altman argued that, while ChatGPT is, obviously not close to AGI, one should trust the exponential. Flat looking backwards, vertical looking forwards. Implications for education. In The Atlantic magazine, Stephen Markey noted that its effect on academia and especially application essays is yet to be understood. 55. California high school teacher and author Daniel Herman wrote that ChatGPT would usher in the end of high school English. In the Nature journal, Chris Stokel-Walker pointed out that teachers should be concerned about students using ChatGPT to outsource their writing, but that education providers will adapt to enhance critical thinking or reasoning. Emma Bowman with NPR wrote of the danger of students plagiarizing through an AI tool that may output biased or nonsensical text with an authoritative tone. There are still many cases where you ask it a question and it'll give you a very impressive sounding answer that's just dead wrong. Joanna Stern with The Wall Street Journal described cheating in American high school English with the tool by submitting a generated essay. 59. Professor Darren Hick of Furman University described noticing ChatGPT's style in a paper submitted by a student. An online GPT detector claimed the paper was 99.9% likely to be computer-generated, but Hick had no hard proof. However, the student in question confessed to using GPT when confronted, and as a consequence failed the course. 60. Hick suggested a policy of giving an ad hoc individual oral exam on the paper topic if a student is strongly suspected of submitting an AI-generated paper. 61. Edward Tien, a senior undergraduate student at Princeton University, created a program, named GPT-0, that determines how much a text is AI-generated. 62. Lending itself to being used to detect if an essay is human-written to combat academic plagiarism. As of January 4, 2023, the New York City Department of Education has restricted access to ChatGPT from its public school internet and devices. Ethical concerns in training. It was revealed by a Time investigation that in order to build a safety system against toxic content, e.g. sexual abuse, violence, racism, sexism, etc., OpenAI used outsourced Kenyan workers earning less than $2 per hour to label toxic content. These labels were used to train a model to detect such content in the future. The outsourced laborers were exposed to such toxic and dangerous content that they described the experience as torture. OpenAI's outsourcing partner was Sama, a training data company based in San Francisco, California. Jailbreaks. ChatGPT attempts to reject prompts that may violate its content policy. However, some users managed to jailbreak ChatGPT by using various prompt engineering techniques to bypass these restrictions in early December 2022 and successfully tricked ChatGPT into giving instructions for how to create a Molotov cocktail or a nuclear bomb, or into generating arguments in the style of a neo-Nazi. 68. A Toronto Star reporter had uneven personal success in getting ChatGPT to make inflammatory statements shortly after launch. ChatGPT was tricked to endorse the Russian invasion of Ukraine. But even when asked to play along with a fictional scenario, ChatGPT balked at generating arguments for why Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau was guilty of treason. We hope that you like this content. If you got some value from this content, then please click the like thumbs up button on this video. Please share this video, and please subscribe to our virtual consulting channel. Thank you again for watching. What is ChatGPT? Our intro to the AI tool that everyone wants to know about, written by Kevin Pocock, from PC Guide. Last updated on January 23, 2023. ChatGPT is a highly popular AI-based program that people use for generating dialogues. The chatbot has a language-based model that the developer fine-tunes for human interaction in a conversational manner. It's a simulated chatbot primarily designed for customer service. People use it for various other purposes. But what is it? If you are new to this ChatGPT, this guide is for you, so continue reading. What's ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot auto-generative system created by OpenAI for online customer care. It is a pre-trained generative chat, which makes use of NLP, natural language processing. The source of its data is textbooks, websites, and various articles, which it uses to model its own language for responding to human interaction. This chatbot system provides information and responses to inquiries through AI. The popular version of ChatGPT is the GPT-3 model. Features of ChatGPT. The main feature of ChatGPT is generating responses like those humans would provide, in a text box. Therefore, it is suitable for chatbots, AI system conversations, and virtual assistants. It can also give natural answers to questions in a conversational tone, and can generate stories and poems. Moreover, ChatGPT can write a code, write an articles, translate, debugging, write a story, poem. Training sources. ChatGPT relies on NLP, natural language processing. It's an excellent tool for researchers and developers working on various NLP projects, and it has many specific tasks, domains, and applications available to work within. In fact, it is well trained on biased and unbiased data, so much so that ChatGPT can reproduce data outputs and clear reliability, crucial for many sensitive apps and other valuable AI systems. As humans, we are, more and more, interacting with AI-powered machines, and ChatGPT is a revolution in the field of AI. It is a robust model and particularly advanced thanks to its deep learning capabilities and NLP. Ultimately, it can generate human-like answers and is easily understandable to users. Registration for ChatGPT. To register to ChatGPT, you can use one of your existing email IDs and mobile number and then follow these easy steps to get registration done. Take note that ChatGPT price options now include a professional plan, should you need consistent, unfettered access. The following are the steps. Go to the login page in a browser. Create an AI account. Click on Sign Up and enter your email ID. For example, if you have a Gmail ID and then click on Google, it automatically registers to your Google account. Then next, press the Continue button, and it asks for your mobile number for verification. Then you receive a code on your mobile number, and it may charge you to get a code. Go to SMS activation. Register and log in the up right corner, under the balance, select the top-up balance option to recharge. Scrolling down at the end, you have some options. Click to recharge. After recharging, go back to the home page and find AI services in the search box. Press the shopping cart button. Your country code mobile number is mentioned. Copy that mobile number and enter it in the ChatGPT mobile number verification section. Send code via SMS. You receive a code. That's your verification code. Enter this code in the OpenAI box to complete the process. Choose the main reason why you register it. Such as, I am using it to explore features. In case of failure, change the mobile number of another country and then try again. What is a GPT-3 chatbot? GPT-3 chatbots are artificial intelligence applications that can be programmed to engage in natural human-like communication. They can provide impressive engagement and usefulness thanks to development using engines, here specifically OpenAI's GPT-3, which enables training in written and spoken human language. GPT-3 chatbot applications make use of deep learning and other techniques, targeted toward the understanding of language and linguistic models. This enables communication almost indistinguishable from human conversation, and has implementations where it can be far more useful than regular chatbots, customer services, for example. Final thoughts. ChatGPT has been famous since its release and is set to revolutionize the tech world. All you have to do is go to OpenAI's ChatGPT website and use it in your browser to test it for free. There is no specific app to use and you can use it on desktop and mobile websites. You just need to make an account and then use it for whatever you need. Be that for personal growth, expanded research, or something else. We hope that you like this content. If you got some value from this content, then please click the thumbs up button on this video. Please share this video, and please subscribe to our virtual consulting channel. Thank you again for watching.
Thank you again for watching our first video on what is ChatGPT. We hope this gives you a good understanding of what is ChatGPT and introduction to some of its capabilities, features, implications, etc. Hopefully this has got you thinking about how this can save you time and money, help you be more productive, help grow and succeed in your virtual consulting business, and get you thinking about some services that you might be able to offer using ChatGPT to your virtual consulting clients to generate additional revenue, and again, to grow and succeed in your virtual consulting business. Again, this is episode 1 in our series of videos on ChatGPT, and we hope you will subscribe to our Virtual Consulting 101 YouTube channel. Please hit the bell icon and select all notifications so you are automatically notified as we release further videos in our series on what is ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, etc., as well as our other helpful videos to help you grow and succeed in your virtual consulting business. Please let us know what you think of all of this information in the comments below in our free Discord, which you can find an invite in the description box below, in our Facebook group, via social media. If you have any questions about ChatGPT, etc., you can also ask those in the comments below in our free Discord and our Facebook group, and or by contacting us directly via social media. So again, stick around. We hope to see you back for further videos in our series on ChatGPT. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. This video and the Virtual Consulting YouTube channel is powered by the Virtual Consulting Firm. Please also visit and follow us on social media via the links that you may find on our About page. In the top right, you can link to our Virtual Consulting homepage. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. You can also find our web hosting company. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll find additional links to some of our other social media sites, our Facebook site, our Instagram site. Also, we hope you will join us in the Virtual Consulting Facebook group, where we can discuss any topics and you can ask any questions related to virtual consulting, and we'd be happy to help you succeed in your virtual consulting business, get started, and succeed in your virtual consulting business. And also our Pinterest, and again, the web hosting company that we use for our homepage. So again, we hope you will also choose to follow us on our social media sites, visit us, let us know what you think of all this. How can we help you? We hope this all helps, and have a great day. We would also like to cordially invite you to join us in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. You should be able to find an invite in the description box below, and or in the link section on our website on the Virtual Consulting Firm homepage, which you can also find a link to in the description box below at thevcf.com. And again, we'd like to invite you to join us and discuss any topics related to virtual consulting, etc., any help that you would need. In the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server, it is free to join. Again, any topics you want to discuss, any help you would like to have to succeed in your virtual consulting business, we can discuss those topics there, and hopefully our fellow virtual consultants will help each other out and mutually benefit from participating in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. So we look forward to seeing you there. Again, you can find an invite in the description box below, in the About page of our YouTube channel, in the link section of our homepage, thevcf.com. And again, we look forward to joining you in the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. Thank you. Please help us be able to continue to produce frequent quality content to help you learn how to get started and succeed in virtual consulting as a virtual consultant by supporting virtual consulting via our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. Again, this is totally voluntary. If you would wish to provide us with your support, we would greatly appreciate it. You can see you can receive additional benefits, and we hope to be able to add additional benefits to each of these membership levels any of which you may choose. And again, we'll be adding additional benefits to each membership level as we are able. So again, if you're able to help support us in being able to produce frequent quality content and additional benefits for our Patreons, we hope you will choose to select a membership in our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. We thank you for your support. Good luck and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope that you liked it. Please smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm share our videos with more of your fellow virtual consultants around the world. Please share this on your social media and with your other virtual consultants around the world. If you're not already subscribed to our virtual consulting YouTube channel, we hope that you will choose to subscribe, and please hit the bell icon to be notified as we release new content. Please provide us with your feedback in the comments below. Let us know how we can help you be more successful as a virtual consultant, get started as a virtual consultant, and be successful in your virtual consulting business. Again, thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.